The Econavi Inverter system ensures ideal washing performance while minimizing the consumption of water and electricity. Based on data from 2 sensors, this system automatically saves water and electricity. The laundry load sensor detects the volume of clothes in the washer to save water. The water temperature sensor detects the temperature of the water supply to help determine the ideal wash time and save both time and electricity. Meanwhile, the inverter is precisely controlling operation for additional energy savings. The Econavi Inverter system ensures powerful washing while saving water, time, and electricity. This is mechanical power.
Panasonic.